Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change system sounds on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, to do it, open up the settings, then scroll down, go into sounds and vibration, and in here select the system sound, and in here you can change the theme. We have Galaxy, Calm, Fun or the Retro. It's up to you which one you will pick. And here we also have a preview. Let me change the system sounds only. And that's where you can change it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.